tell us, maybe I'll start with Solen. Can you tell us a little bit about your linen picks today?
Okay, so I'm wearing the linen premium long sleeve, which is really lightweight. It's great to move around in. And then I paired it with the, tatayo ba ako? Okay, yung linen cotton shorts that are very comfortable as well. And then, of course, I can't live without my bra top, so I'm wearing the Arizon sleeveless bra top. I don't know, I just think it's a very chic outfit, very easy to move around. And lalo ngayon na medyo mainit, di ba, sa Pilipinas. It's very nice to be able to dress up, but in the same time, you feel breezy and comfortable. And I love the detail in these shorts na may parang pleat, so parang may touch of class, you know.
Yeah, it makes it so much more modern and classy at the same time.
Like I'm ready to go to Amalfi Coast, di ba?
Even 100% natural linen fabric, right? Which is great as well. It makes it a little bit more breezy, sauce.
So maybe like if I were to go to a school meeting or a meeting at work, you could kind of like close this up and then maybe put a pencil skirt for that more formal look. If you're at the beach, actually this is quite long sleeve, super magaan and fresco. So with a bathing suit under, naka-open, won't give any more details. But yeah, it's a very versatile piece and they come in so many different colors, so you can really find the color that matches your skin tone or even just the vibe you want to go for. Yeah, there's just so many great pieces.
Yeah.